it's on.
Well, I can grind.
You're okay. I'm good. Just shoot away.
Is it not? Is it?
There's no zoom. You just hold it and just watch your finger.
It's not filming yet?
It's zooming. It's zooming now.
Okay.
It was. Did you push anything?
No.
Oh, wow.
So you started filming that
Oh,
one.
that's really bad. What?
You did turn it on already?
No, it's filming. You're good. Oh, my God.
On the upside, this makes them slow so we can get away from them.
What?
On the upside, it makes them slow so we can get away from them.
Yeah. They have no idea how to cut that away either, do they?
Pay attention to your job there, Toon Camp.
I'd rather watch the previous movie.
Why don't you take the film? I can trim.
You can't snuff that either.
Nope.
It's wrapped in the head too. Oh shit. Oh wow. We did this 2 years ago in Chippewa, and I had to go to the top. Yeah. But it was blowing like 35 too. That's such a high voice. I didn't think you were asking for it.
They seem very calm over there. I'm not sure that they are particularly concerned. They're just looking at it.
Trying to figure out what. Well, you're trying to figure out what the fuck happened. And it's getting a lot worse. Yeah.
Yeah.
It might unwrap itself. But they probably should pull on something. Like the center of the kite. Alright, here's our ring. There's the big ring. I want to film this one. Look at this wave.
There's Happy Terry.
Hey Terry, how fast did we go today?
We went 11:9. And many other times over 11.
Which was good.
My boat doesn't go to 10 anymore. It goes to 11.
Video with him yelling.
And there's Cat. Except that she's not.
That's getting worse. That is not going to get better.
No, that's not going to get better.
I'm going to end up having to fix a kite.
Oh, you know what? You've got work lined up.
I don't want that.
Do you want me to keep filming this, or are you satisfied?
I kind of want to wait for the next level of destruction. That's not done yet.
Okay, well, I'll just keep filming at your camera.
I feel bad.
You know what? Yeah, I feel bad too. It's like watching Pennycrest on Bayfield Race Week when they
Until we post it online.
What did
like
they do?
broke, wham, and we're like, yes. Oh, I hope they're okay.
Out of our way, we can still back to our course.
Oh, I'm filming the where's the zoom on this thing again? There isn't. Oh, okay. They're getting smaller. See? They're little. They're little in the picture now. And then there's Toluca way back there somewhere. I don't even see red in the screen, but they're back there somewhere.
You can kill it on film.
Or film you. Well, you know.
I gotta choose it.